Hello, my amazing subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss important updates about working and moving abroad. Also, if you find this video valuable, please hit the like button. It really helps YouTube recommend this video to more people who need it. Today, I have great news. You can move to Sweden in as little as 30 days. In this video, I'll break down Sweden's fast-track visa options, the job seeker visa opportunity, in-demand jobs in 2025, and how you can take advantage of it. Stick with me to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Sweden is not just a beautiful country, it offers high salaries, excellent work-life balance, and a strong demand for foreign talent. The country's economy is booming, but with a declining working-age population, they urgently need skilled workers to fill gaps. That's why Sweden has introduced fast-track visa processes to attract international workers quickly. If you already have a job offer from a Swedish employer, the work permit process has been dramatically simplified. In many cases, visas are now processed within 30 days, especially if the employer is registered with the Swedish Migration Agency's certified program. Here's what you need for a fast-track visa. A valid passport. A signed job offer or employment contract. Proof the employer meets wage and insurance requirements. Sufficient funds if applying with dependents. The employer submits the application, and if everything is in order, you could get your visa decision in just a month. Now, what if you don't have a job offer yet? Don't worry, Sweden has a special job seeker visa designed for highly skilled individuals. The job seeker visa allows you to enter Sweden without a job offer. Stay for 3 to 9 months. Search for jobs or even start a business. Convert your status into a work permit if you find employment. Requirements for the job seeker visa. Hold a degree equivalent to a Swedish master's, bachelor's, or professional degree. 2. Have enough financial means to support yourself. 3. Valid passport. Health insurance for your stay. This visa gives you the flexibility to be physically present in Sweden while applying for jobs, a huge advantage. In-demand jobs in Sweden 2025. Now, let's talk about the hottest job sectors that are actively looking for foreign talent. 1. Healthcare professionals. Nurses, doctors, dentists, and healthcare assistants are in serious demand. 2. IT and tech experts. Software developers, data analysts, cybersecurity specialists, and AI engineers are needed urgently. 3. Engineering roles. Civil, mechanical, and electrical engineers are among the top vacancies. 4. Teachers. Especially for preschool, mathematics, and science teachers. 5. Skilled trades. Welders, electricians, and mechanics are also highly sought after. 6. Hospitality and tourism. Cooks, waitstaff, and hotel workers are in demand for Sweden's thriving hospitality industry. 7. Logistics and supply chain workers. Drivers, warehouse staff, and supply chain managers are needed to support Sweden's growing e-commerce sector. If you have skills in any of these fields, your chances of landing a job and getting a visa quickly are very high. Here's how to move to Sweden fast. 1. Check your eligibility. Ensure you meet the degree and financial requirements. 2. Apply for jobs or prepare your documents. If you have a job offer, go the fast-track route. If not, apply for the job seeker visa. 3. Submit your application. Online via the Swedish Migration Agency's website. 4. Wait for a decision. For fast-track applications, expect a decision in around 30 days. For job seekers, expect around 2 to 3 months depending on your embassy. 5. Travel to Sweden. Once approved, book your flight and prepare for a new beginning. Important tips to boost your chances. Tailor your CV and cover letter to Swedish standards. Start learning basic Swedish, even a little goes a long way. Focus on applying for jobs that match your background exactly. Network with Swedish companies through LinkedIn and career fairs. Sweden's open doors could be your opportunity to start a brand new life in a beautiful and prosperous country. Whether through the fast-track visa or the job seeker visa, the dream is very achievable if you act quickly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with friends who might also benefit. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.